Using the Mango Supervisor on your tablet or mobile phone is easy. It will work with both the Apple as well as Android operating systems. As you come to the sign-in screen, you'll enter your username and password and then sign in. As you do so, it immediately brings up your dashboard. The dashboard is a visual look into all of the routes that you have out today. You can choose the dates. We're going to go back a day here for this particular demonstration. As you do so, you see the routes on the left-hand side. And then you get information on how many stops are scheduled, how many have been completed, any that have been skipped, as well as off-route stops. You also see the total sales for the day, followed by the driver's name, as well as the status of his route. As you notice here, some of them have not been downloaded, some have been started, some of them have actually been completed. If you want to see route information in more detail, simply click on the line with that particular route. As you can see here, a new screen is loaded showing you more information about the customers that were delivered by Route B202 for that particular day. You can see stops that were skipped, sales that were made, etc. If you want to drill down to an individual invoice, simply touch the name of the customer and then it will bring up the invoice detail for that particular account. Notice it has the customer name, the invoice date and number, as well as all the detailed line items. In addition, there's buttons here on the right side that allow you to look and see where this stop was located. Brings up a map, and then from the map, you're able to see precisely where that customer is. If you go back to the invoice detail screen, you'll also have the option of being able to send a copy of the invoice to the customer directly. You can navigate easily on these screens by touching the back key, or you also have a hamburger here that gives you a menu of options that you can go to. So for example, the dashboard is what we've been looking at. Another option is to be able to create a ticket so that someone can go out and service the customer. Simply touch Create Ticket. From here, you'll see a list of potential customers, along with other relevant information, including where they're located, be able to call them, or even send an email to them. If you want to create a work order for this particular account, simply click on the line with their name. As you do so, it brings up a convenient page that allows you to choose the default products for that particular customer. At this point, simply enter the number of units required of each product. If you want 3, choose that, add to cart. At this point, you can choose to continue shopping, go to the shopping cart, or check out. We use the same friendly interface with our web page. This way, your route supervisor can easily create tickets and put as many products onto the order as necessary. We'll do one more product here, add to cart, and then at this point in time, we will do the checkout process. This allows the person creating the ticket to easily see everything that is going to be added. In addition, you can assign it to various routes by simply choosing one of your routes right here. In addition, you can indicate that it's high priority and you can choose a delivery date. If you choose nothing, it will default to today, but perhaps we want to schedule it 2 days out. You can also put additional delivery notes in here. When you have completed all the essential information, simply hit Place Order, and that will automatically add it to your schedule for the route and date specified. You can even set it up where it will notify the customer that an order has been created. This is extremely helpful if a supervisor is manning the phones over the weekend and you offer service on a Saturday or Sunday when your call center may be normally closed. This allows for a lot of flexibility in being able to take the orders, assign it to drivers, and making sure that the work all gets done. Another option within the system is the ability to see where your trucks are. If you click on See All Trucks, then it will bring up a map and show you exactly where all of your trucks are at the current time. This can be helpful for dispatching purposes. Another option is too, you have the ability to generate release codes. A release code is authorization to service a customer that may be on hold service. So here it will bring up a list of customers. Of course, you can filter them down by different types or simply put in a part of their name and then it will automatically bring up customers who match that particular criteria. With Mango Supervisor, you can easily keep tabs of what's going on in the field. Now you are in the know. You can be able to quickly analyze your sales for the day, know where people are, what customers have been skipped, etc. Notice on this screen that we have superimposed the screens that you see on a full-size tablet onto what a cell phone would look like. This will help you to manage your routes even if you only have a cell phone with you at the time.